Bam. Finds the cutting Keldon Johnson. Beautiful down. Lillard driving dish. Good ball movement again. Keldon Johnson. Off the curl, Levine. Good ball movement again. Keldon Johnson gets to his spot.
Switching 1 through 5, and a lot of times the guard is ending up on deck, and he has made USA pay.
Keldon Johnson. What a pass inside. Johnson can't give him the assist, but he does get doing against a really good side. Juan Pablo Valette can't hit. A run out for USA. Levine, Garland for 2 over Argentina. Kara, a much better performance. We've talked about needing to see improvement from game to game to game, and that's exactly what we saw from USA here today.